Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your eligibility and having core assets ready. This saves time. Open Settings, go to Creator Tools, then Service Plus. Once there, tap Create. You'll enter a basic shop profile, name, category, and short description, so fill accurate business details because discoverability depends on them. Make sure pricing and at least one clear service image are uploaded now, and choose delivery options. Once done, review visibility and proceed to the next setup page to configure offerings. You now add individual services, create concise titles, set realistic durations, and enter exact prices. This matters for buyer trust. Describe what's included in each listing and attach example images or short clips so buyers know what to expect. Next, set policy details, cancellation windows, refunds, and delivery timelines, because disputes often hinge on unclear terms. Connect your payment method and enable booking or instant checkout. Make sure taxes and fees are defined so your payouts process smoothly. You're ready to publish. Make listings live, pin a featured service to your profile, and create a short demo video to drive traffic. Once orders arrive, respond quickly, confirm details, and follow your delivery workflow so customers have a smooth experience. Reviews boost visibility. If problems appear, failed payouts, disabled listings, or policy flags, first verify policy compliance and payment settings, then retry or contact TikTok support. One key troubleshooting tip: review service descriptions and images for prohibited content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.